Two former local police officers appeared in separate courtrooms today.
And each man pleading guilty to a variety of charges in unrelated crimes. Former Attleboro Police Sergeant Richard Woodhead pleaded guilty to attempted receipt of child pornography. Woodhead resigned from the Attleboro Police Department back in April. He is scheduled to be sentenced in November.
Meanwhile, former Charlestown police officer Evan Speck pleaded guilty in federal court to charges of attempting to distribute steroids and money laundering. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Pleiner is live in Providence with more on how Charlestown's police chief is reacting to his former officer's plea. Jared.
Well, Mike and Caroline, the government says Speck had about 80 kilograms, the equivalent of 80 kilograms of marijuana in steroids. And if you do the math, just so you can figure that out, 80 kilograms, more than 175 pounds. Former Charlestown police officer and bodybuilder Evan Speck pleading guilty Friday to steroids and money laundering charges. The 34-year-old declining to speak with us after.
Sorry, I can't comment. The case is still going on, so thank you.
Speck made over $500,000 selling testosterone cypionate he bought from China to fellow bodybuilders from at least early 2015 until the feds raided his Westerly home in March. Investigators seized steroids and other performance-enhancing drugs and 3 guns. The government says the Chinese steroids were never labeled with directions for use, and that Speck tried to hide his operation by using fake names and encrypting emails. Speck's attorney says he's taken responsibility.
At one point, he was a really respected member of the police department. He was the president of the union, and he was the most productive officer in that department. He can be rehabilitated. That's our view as his attorneys, that he can do something with his life positive.
Charlestown Police Chief Jeffrey Allen reacting tonight. Mr. Speck's behavior was a huge violation of the public trust he was given as a police officer. It is important for the public to understand Mr. Speck had not worked as a police officer in nearly a year, as he was on leave of absence since May 2016. He has not received any pay from the town of Charlestown since September 2016, and he voluntarily resigned from the department in March of this year. Speck has sued the department, claiming he was discriminated against because he has ADHD.
It's still pending. We're discussing how that matter is going to proceed.
And Speck now faces a maximum 33 years in prison and a $1.25 million fine. Sentencing set for November. In Providence tonight, I'm Jared Pleiner, Eyewitness News.